Umalma ang beauty queen na si Rabia Mateo matapos itong ma-issue kasama ang kanyang boyfriend na si Jeric Gonzalez na di umano'y pinilit ng dalawa na makapasok sa concert ni IU kahit wala silang ticket at nais pa umanong magpa-VIP treatment ng mga ito. Ito ay base sa blind item na pinost ng FB page na Hyen's Modeling Agency. Ayon sa post, first-hand chika. Sinatch ite na magjowang aktor at beauty queen ang biglang nag-entrance sa concert ni IU at gustong manood kahit hindi naman daw nagbayad. Ang bet pa ay VIP seat pero wis na vacant kaya hanash ang usher at Secu. K-fine. Usher be like, wala ba silang pambili ng sariling ticket? Dahil sa clue na ibinigay ng post ay agad nahulaan ng publiko kung sino ang tinutukoy ng blind item. Ito'y walang iba kundi si Rabia at Jeric. Marami ang hindi natuwa sa post na ito. Ayon kasi sa ilan, nagpakahirap sila para lang makabili sila ng ticket ng concert. Ngunit dahil kilang personalidad umano si Rabia at Jeric ay nag-entertain daw sila ng maayos at mas inuna pa umano ang mga ito. Ilang araw matapos na i-post ito ay umalma si Rabia at mariin niyang pinabulaanan ang issue. Ayon dito, wala itong katotohanan dahil bumili daw sila ng ticket na nagkakahalaga ng 12,000 pesos each. Dagdag pa ni Rabia, katulad ng iba, nagtrabaho din umano sila upang makabili ng ticket. Walang VIP treatment na nangyari. We wanna clarify the rumors circulating are not true. We bought the tickets for 12,000 pesos each. Just like the rest of them, he worked very hard to afford the tickets and never demanded for any VIP treatment. But we would like to commend the ushers for helping us find our seats. We've been scammed the first time we tried to buy these tickets. Just like the rest of you, we had a hard time looking for available tickets. Contrary to what most of you think, walang artista-artista sa paghahanap. While others are so quick to have assumptions without getting their facts right, shows how people believe what they see online. Not everything you read is true. Not everything you see is real. Not everything you hear should be posted online at the expense of other people. However, we have laws to protect the innocent and punish those who are guilty. P.S. People saw us paano kami luminya kay Lee Min-ho, Coldplay at Ed Sheeran. Never kami nagpa-VIP sa mga concert. Samantala, naglabas din ng statement ang page na naglabas ng maling impormasyon. To Miss Rabia and Jeric, I want to sincerely thank you for clearing out your side on the incident during IU's concert. I deeply apologize for all the damage this may have caused you. As per your clarifications, you personally bought the tickets and didn't demand them for free. It also came to our knowledge that many of other fans had the same experience of having a duplicate ticket seats. My mistake was posting it on this page without doing any fact check after hearing everything from the usher staff. I acted on impulse and didn't mean any harm to the said couple. I posted it as an awareness to my fellow K-pop fans who fought hard and worked hard to buy the tickets. HMA is committed to making memes and edits for the K-pop community. We will continue to improve our post for our community. Again, we sincerely apologize for our mistake. We hope this will help clear out the names of the said couple. Also, we want to ask the public for a favor to refrain from throwing hateful, negative comments at both Rabia and Jeric.